So hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make or create a clean professional line graph in Google Sheets in just a few simple steps. So okay, let's get started. So first, make sure your data is organized properly, and also in Google Sheets, as you can see on my screen here, in Google Sheets, place some or like some kind of labels like dates, categories, or time intervals in the first column. You might want to use this A column, or it's up to you. So for me, I'm gonna use the B column. So next is um, then place your values like sales numbers, temperatures, or any kind of what you want, or any measurable data in the column next to it. So for me, I'm gonna use months. Okay, like bare month. Okay, I'm gonna use September, October, November, and December. So for me, let's think that um how many sales we accumulate on these specific months. So in Google Sheets needs this structure so it can correctly plot the graph. So let's say I have a 200 sales, 300, a 250, and here is 500. Okay, so next is click and drag to highlight all the data you want to include in your line graph. So including the column headers. So here, okay, you just have to highlight that one. And after that, with your data selected, go to the top menu and click insert, then choose chart. Okay, okay, this insert and click the chart. There you go. So okay, so in Google Sheets, it will automatically create a chart, but it might not be a line graph right away. So on the right side, you'll see the chart editor panel will appear here, this one, and under the setup tab, here, this one, setup tab, find the chart type. Okay, this one, chart type. So click that one and you'll find here line, column, bar, pie graph. So any types of graph. So yeah, we're talking about how to make a line graph. So let's select this one. Okay, so after that, so your data will instantly be transformed into a line graph. So now let's clean it up. So let's just click the customize here, and yeah, here you can change the what style your chart you want to create. So you might change it color. No, that's not really good. So I'm not gonna change this one. So also the chart title, yeah, you might want like sales in 2025. So okay, I'm not gonna change everything. So the series, yeah, you can edit this all. So the axis, the vertical axis, and also the grid lines and text. So for me, I'm not gonna change anything. So just like this one. So these options help make your graph easier to read and visually appealing. So you just have to click and drag to move your chart anywhere on the sheet. So drag the edges or corners to resize it so it fits your layout. So for me, okay, you just have to drag where you wanted to put it. Maybe under this data, and also just have to resize it if you wanted to. Yeah, like that one. Okay, so that's it. you've created a complete line graph in Google Sheets. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.